Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, giving y'all that good content. What we about to do today, man, I'm gonna do something that no one else has done to this Lincoln, man, or to really any car, man. My ideas is crazy. What we finna do now, this is considered like a pinstripe right here. Just right here, this is a pinstripe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay it across. If y'all know how y'all see it on the Charger, it's kind of like a little stripe right there, right? So I'm gonna lay that across right here. And guess what else I got, man? I got these a while ago. I'm just waiting for my my pinstripes to come in. I might end up taking that little. I'm gonna end up taking this off anyway because it's just green. Green on tan is weird. But so I got these Lincoln signs right here. It's gonna look so dope, man. I just thought about it. It's gonna look so dope. But I'm gonna put these Lincoln signs. It's gonna be actually on the It's actually gonna be on there. So let me show y'all real quick, man. So it's actually gonna be on the actual vinyl. It's gonna be two vinyls attached to each other. But other than that, man, make sure you like, share the video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button as well. Turn on all post notifications as well, so you can be notified every time I post a video. So make sure you turn on all post notifications as well, so you can be notified every time I post a video. Let's get into it, man.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he wants it, why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss.
So right here, I'm just showing y'all where I'm putting my vinyl at. I'm stopping it at, where I'm starting it at, pretty much. It's not going to be straight, as you will see throughout the video. This is not a Charger as I thought it was. So it's not going to be straight in box like a Charger. It's going to be slanted, as you will see this. So I'm just spraying it down with some APC just to get it clean, get all the dirt and grease it off. You can use soap and water, you can use alcohol, whatever you want to use, clean it off, make sure you clean the surface where you're trying to apply your vinyl with. So doing this job, you want to make sure you wet the whole vinyl. It's going to literally work out the best doing that way. And you can move it around and adjust and stuff like that. So make sure you put soap and water on that whole vinyl, or it's called, this is like a big pinstripe, what it's called. But make sure you do that. And what I did, I measured 2 inches from my tail light, and I moved it forward like that. So that's how I measured both ends, 2 inches from the tail light, and that's how I got the measurements that I got, and that's why it looks the way it looks. It's not square like a Charger is, so it's going to be slanted, as you can see in the video as well. I've already said it many times, but just let y'all know once again, it's going to be slanted. It looks clean as hell. It looks clean in person. So once again, man, it's exactly like, if you've ever tinted the window before, it's exactly like tinting the window. So you're gonna see me, you're gonna see me move it down where you see that little piece where that little chip is at, like kind of like a bite mark. I had like trouble trying to get the adhesive off, so it kind of messed it up. But other than that, you see moving it down. This is why you need to wet the whole thing so you can move it and adjust it to where you need to adjust it to. Everything's gonna line up exactly how it's supposed to line up when you do it this way. So your measurements are going to be accurate. So once again, I measured 2 inches away from the tail lamp. I got it pretty much almost perfect. So. So right here, I'm just cutting where the seams at and the cracks are at. After this, you want to make sure you go over it again with the card or whatever you have to get the water out, get the rest of the water out. And maybe like an hour or so later, you want to open that trunk and kind of press down on the vinyl because it's not going to stick because it has water on it. It's not going to fully stick into that seam because it has water on it. So make sure you just go back in like an hour or so. See what I'm talking about? I just filled it up. Alright, so man, it looks real good. It really does. I ain't show y'all everything, but I had to like kind of take some more water out. So like when you're doing this, you want to make sure you don't get all the water out at first. So wait like maybe like 30 minutes to like an hour, and then go back over it because you'll probably have some bubbles, like little bubbles here and there. Let's go back over it, boom, boom, and then so this film can dry as well because mine's still, it's not hot, so it's colder outside, so it's kind of a little bit more trickier to deal with, but it does look really good. It looks really good. I did mess up on this side, so you see like this little double piece right here. When I was cutting it, I kind of like cut upward thinking that I'm still cutting, so I messed that little piece up. But other than that, it looks good for the most part. And I think this is like tape or something, on the way. Whatever it is, I didn't even know that on there, but I'm probably gonna get that off with some degreaser or something, some super clean. See, that might work, but it still looks really nice. Yeah, man, it looks real nice. And so once again, like how this trunk is, it's kind of curved, so as you see it straight, and you can see the curves in there. You know what I'm saying? How can I see that little? It's kind of curvy, so it doesn't go all the way down straight. It slants, which still is really clean. It really is. It slants. It's straight, but it just slants. It won't straighten up because of how it's built. But it looks real clean. Y'all know me, man. Y'all already know, man. I get all my parts from eBay. So this came from eBay. This is actually a pinstripe, but it's like the thickest one that you can get off eBay. I'm gonna put it down in the link below. I do have this as well. He sent me 3 of these by accident, I guess, but this is what this is for. It's gonna look real clean when I put that on there. So, but I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like just by itself, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with this as well. I think this is just gonna make it a big difference. It's gonna be smaller. I'm actually might put, don't know what I'm gonna do with the third one, but it's gonna look real nice, man. More like that. It's gonna look nice, man. It's gonna look real nice. It's gonna look like kind of like a race car in a way. I could put like number 2 or something like that, like 2 or like number 5 or some shit like that. But it's gonna look real clean, man. I can't wait to show y'all the rest of this car. It's kind of show y'all probably yeah. Can we show y'all the rest of it, man? It's gonna look real clean. It's gonna be on both sides. I gotta figure out when to put the third one. He also sent me this little eagle thing too as well. Where's it at? This little eagle. I don't know what it is. Some type of bird. Here it is. Wherever that is. I'm gonna put that somewhere. Maybe like right here or something. I don't know. It's white, so I don't know where I'm gonna put it at. But other than that, man, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Install is pretty easy. I thought it would take me a little longer, but install is easy, man. And it's gonna look so clean. I got a spoiler as well. I'm gonna put that on Sunday. So I got a spoiler as well to go with it. It's gonna make it look even better than what it looks right now. It's gonna look real clean. So man, make sure y'all tune out for that video as well. I'm gonna hit on my videos. A lot of the videos that y'all seeing, I'm like a month ahead on my videos, man. I'm trying to been on my grind doing that. So I don't post videos every single day, but I try to post twice a week, what I mainly try to do. So other than that, man, make sure y'all like, share the video, smash the subscribe button as well, man. Let's continue this video. Hey man, so I'm about to just show y'all a quick before video before I put the actual Lincoln stickers on. It looks dope as hell with the stickers on there. It just makes it look different. And it's a small sticker that just makes it look different. But y'all stay tuned. So I really should be showing y'all this in the video, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway so y'all can see. We all make mistakes, man. We all make mistakes. So I had to repeel that off because I didn't center it correctly. Even after I did it, I still didn't center it fully correctly, but it's good enough. Not noticeable unless you get real close. But other than that, man, y'all continue staying tuned. Yeah, it needs to turn this a little bit. That's alright though. Shit looks clean.
You're listening to a Montes production.
So man, that's gonna make it a wrap for the video.
Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Did y'all like it? Did y'all not like it? I think it's pretty clean to me. And someone has done this on their town car, man. This is why I make YouTube videos, man. No one else doing what I'm doing. But other than that, man, make sure you like, share the video, smash the subscribe button as well, and turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, man.